Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I am going to show you how you can filter the data based on a condition from a large data set and merge the two data set in a one data set. Okay, for example, this is my data set. If I execute this, here you can see that this is the title, and inside, okay, this other is basically clickbait. Okay, the value is yes and no, and the overall rows are basically this is very large data set, and I want only 1000 true fields and 1000 false fields. Okay, so basically the data set is very large, so I want only 2000 rows from that. So this is basically our today topic agenda. So 1000 rows from both true and false. Okay, the first filter is inside the operator. This is filter example, and connect this and click on this, and here press on add filter, and here the column attribute is title, with title is equal to, for example, uh, first one. Okay, uh, this one, and inside the second operator, that is filter range, and we want only 1000 from 1 to 1000. Okay, it means that 1000 false clickbait rows. Okay, if I execute here, you can see that all the values are false and there is 1000 rows. Okay, so perfect. So similarly, we want 1000 true also values. Okay, if copy all these three and here paste, and just change the first filter. For example, the value change at filter value is changed to true. Okay, so here if I again execute this, you can see that. Okay, so now we merge the both by the append operator. Okay, this is append operator, and basically connect both these, and okay, this one for example. And if you can also show the output, or you can write inside the file. For example, if I execute this, okay, so both filter values true and false, both 1000 rows, 1000 rows, they're all the value will be now 2000 rows, and from the 2000 rows, the 1000 is true values and the 1000 is false values. So this is from the large data set how you can choose based on the filter value a small subset. Okay, and for the further use, you can also export this data to the right, or to CSV or something like. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, on the video description link, just go to that specific link, and you can ask any question inside my website, that is nasirsoft.com. Okay, the question link is mentioned in video description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.